How can I get performance metrics for all of my email campaigns over time? In the previous tutorial, we learned how to compare the tracking metrics of multiple email campaigns. Now, let's look at how you can get comparative performance metrics on all of your campaigns over time. From the LISTSERV Maestro dashboard, open the main menu and click on Reports. On the left side of the screen, you will notice two automatically generated reports called Tracking Statistics and Delivery Statistics. The delivery report shows the average delivery and bounce rates for all of your mail jobs over time. The Delivery Totals tab shows the total number of delivered and bounced messages, while the Bounce Rates tab shows percentages. You can customize which lists and which jobs to include in the report and the time period by clicking on the filters at the top of the screen. The options and the job folders available depend on how you organize your mail jobs. The job table shows all of the jobs that you have decided to include in the report. The delivered and bounced columns display the percentages for each job. If you move your mouse over the table, you will see whether the rate was better than average or worse than average for this time period. To access the open and click rates for all of your mail jobs over time, click on Tracking Statistics. Here, you will see the same type of report, this time showing the open rate, click rate, and unsubscribe rate. You will also see the percentage of opens and clicks that occurred on mobile devices, as opposed to desktop or laptop computers. You can customize which jobs to include in the report by clicking on the filters at the top of the screen. Again, if you move your mouse over the table, you'll see if the open rate and the click rate was better or worse than average for this time period. You can sort the job table by date, open rate, click rate, or unsubscribe rate, making it easy to locate the best and worst performing campaigns. You can click on the name of each job to take a closer look at the performance metrics for that job. As with all of the other reports, you can always download them either in PDF format or as a spreadsheet so that you can easily share them with your team members. These reports are automatically updated, so every time you send a new mailing, all of the relevant metrics will be added to the report. Thank you for watching.